Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert a cloud shape in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show insert a cloud shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for a drawing option. Then select from a shape. Now click for a cloud. Now draw a cloud. This cloud is a sense color. Now click for a then this is color. Now click for a save and close option. That's it. Then I show insert a cloud shape in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for